the unpleasant possibility of alien visitors to our planet, or at least of alien-controlled UFOs. What questionable data there are suggest the existence of at least 3 and maybe 4 different groups of aliens, possibly at different stages of development. I was trying to imagine what it must have been like being a cadet. This chapter appeared in the Air Force Academy physics textbook in 1968. A year later, the Air Force ended its long-term Project Blue Book in '69. And then this chapter was revised for